Hi gang, welcome back to another planks tutorial. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how we pre-drill holes into a floating shelf. Kit and equipment, you'll need a drill. Now you can see here I'm using my trusty little Milwaukee drill. Also, we have picked up this lovely little jig from Miles Craft, which enables us to drill straight into the timber without busting out of either face. I've got my little precision square for my marking, and I have a little punch. This is just going to give me a nice little point that I can put my drill bit in where exactly I want it. Fixings, you'll find these fixings for floating shelves on the Planks website. Tape for marking and measuring, and a couple of clamps just to hold my piece as I work on it. And as always, have my trusty pencil. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the face that I'm going to be drilling into, and this is the back of the shelf. This is the part of the shelf that's going to go mounted onto the wall. Take my tape, and I am going to measure 70 mil. So I want it in from the end, but not so far in that it's obviously in the middle. I want the weight to be evenly distributed. Take my square and just pencil my line in nice and soft so that it can be removed later. And then I work out the thickness, 35 mil. And I take my punch, take my steel ruler, and I'm measuring halfway to about 17 mil. 17.5, and I'm just punching a little hole just here. That will mean that this bit, the drill bit, will slot in there nicely, and it will just give it a nice bit of purchase for when I'm drilling. Same again on the other side. And again, we have our holes ready for drilling. I'm going to clamp my shelf to the table just to stop it from moving anywhere and to keep it nice and rigid. Okay, nice little handy hole. Finding my center point, I'm just going to ease the tip of the drill bit, and I'm just going to slowly start making my cut. Now it's good practice to move in and out as you drill, and what you're doing there is you're redistributing all of the waste wood from inside the hole so it doesn't clog up your drill bit and start to burn. One thing to note as well, the hole in the back of the shelf is going to need to be slightly bigger than this point on my fixing. And that's so that I know that the fixing fits perfectly in there and it will be nice and flush with whatever wall I decide to mount it on. Okay, first hole done, moving on to the second hole. And there we have it, 2 nice holes ready for our mountings for hanging the shelf. Now, here at Planks we offer pre-drilled floating shelves, so you can find these on our website, and all you'll need to do is buy the shelf and your fixings, also available from the Planks website. You'll be able to put it up yourself.